Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Madison. Before we get into the video, of course, I just want to address where I've been and how I've been doing. A lot of people have been asking me that and like why I haven't been posting. To start off, I just want to say that I appreciate everybody who has been so patient with me. You know, I am a human too, and I have things outside of YouTube to handle. I've had a lot of emotional breakdowns lately, and like my relationship and like my friendships, my family, school, and you know, all of that. I just needed a break from YouTube. But other than that, let's get to the video.
Oh boy, I'ma have to call them boys on you.
So I'm just gonna go on with my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer in clear and just use this to prime my face. I don't know like what kind of makeup look I want to do today. It smells like tea tree oil and mint. It smells good. So I'm gonna take a BB cream and this L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I'm just gonna mix these two because I don't want like a lot of coverage, but I want like medium coverage. Last Wednesday, which was Valentine's Day, I was supposed to vlog with my boyfriend, but then he ended up having to work, and like my boyfriend's family owns a restaurant, so it was kind of like mandatory. It's fine because we spent we spent that Friday together. I really wanted to see him before he left to Colorado. And he's going to Colorado because of like his school like field trip, and he's not gonna be back till like this Saturday, which is kind of sad because we don't see each other a lot. All of the products will be listed down below in the description if I forget to say anything. So yeah, we were supposed to vlog, but then that happened. But we still plan on like doing that vlog, so hopefully like we'll get that up for you. I'm buying a new camera and I'm so excited. I'm super excited to get it because if you guys don't know, I filmed with my iPhone. I almost said iPhone 4. I film with my iPhone 7 Plus right now. Nothing's wrong with it. I just want like a camera that like has storage, you know what I mean? Because my phone, like, it can't hold that much storage for vlogs and stuff. This foundation looks kind of light. It's in my hair. So what happened between like my relationship, by the way, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Light Medium. So my boyfriend and I, we were just having like a really bad stage in our relationship, and no, it wasn't anything like he cheated or I cheated or like, you know, anything like bad that you can think of. We just kept constantly like arguing to the point where it happened like every single day, every night. Like it feels like neither of us were really happy, and you know, that made us like really sad, but it's like because we wanted it to be together and we just didn't know like, you know, what each other wanted. How are we supposed to like keep the relationship going if, you know, we're like really confused about what we want? So we agreed to take like a really small break, like 3 days. Very small, I know. We just needed time to think about, you know, just to think about the relationship. I would say for the most part that it really helped. People always say that communication is like key between relationships, and I'm not saying that that's wrong, but the meaning behind that, like, I feel like they're saying, you know, like, don't ignore your partner, and it's like we weren't really ignoring each other, we just needed like our own space. And like most people don't like, you know, they will say that like that's just running away from your problems, but in my opinion, I think that if you respect somebody and they say that they need their space to think, I think that you should give them that space. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette and use this one to set my under eyes. Oh my goodness. Focus. You guys see that creasing? Oh my god. So I feel like on my channel, most of you guys are like, my dog, that was my dog by the way. I feel like most of you guys are really like sick and tired of seeing like my Morphe palette. So I'm just gonna use my Modern Renaissance palette since I don't really use this. Oh my god, it's dirty. Now I'm gonna go in with Burnt Orange and use that as my transition. I wanted to get the Subculture palette, but then I saw like how much fallout that it had and I was like, yeah, no, but the colors are super pretty. So between my friend and I'm not gonna like say it even though some of you guys probably know who it is. I'm not naming like any names, I'm not exposing anybody, I'm not bringing anybody down. That's not what I do, especially on social media. To keep this story kind of short, I would say, I'm not gonna say exactly what happened. I guess you could say that I just felt like the friendship wasn't the same, and I think that's just a part of growing up when you accept people are changing, and you know, if you genuinely care about that person, you will let them do them, and that's simply what I did. I will be honest and say that I said some things that were very hurtful, but you see, I'm the type of friend where you say something truthful to me even if it hurts, I will like thank you for that, because it's like you're looking out for me, you don't want anyone to hurt me, you just want the best for me. But there are some people in the world who take it the wrong way. I would say that my friend was one of them, and that's not a bad thing. Everybody's different. I do like regret saying some of the things I said, like knowing that that person was my best friend. I don't know, like that person and I have been in this friendship for like probably almost 3 years. It was sad because obviously like I hurt that person. I don't know, like I just feel like we had two different perspectives and we both weren't willing to see each other's perspective, and you know, that's okay at this point. Like it doesn't even matter anymore. We've like stopped talking for like a couple weeks now, and you know, they're happy and I'm happy, and you know, life goes on. Like I'm not gonna sit here and you know, like cry about it, even though like the night that we chose to go our own separate ways, I cried. Like losing someone who, you know, you've had so many memories with and like so many inside jokes, but just knowing that you're gonna wake up the next day and not have that person to talk to, it's hard. Like it's not easy. Friend breakups can hurt just as much as, you know, partner breakups. That person seems happy, and you know, that makes me happy. There are no grudges, at least I don't think there are any grudges. And there are no like bad terms, because we both kind of just accepted the fact that we're not willing to see each other's perspectives, and I guess we agreed to disagree. I think that's how I wanted it to end. Like we both kind of just got that closure together, and that was it. I'm gonna go in with red ochre, by the way, now. This isn't even like a makeup tutorial anymore. This one's kind of hard to blend. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber. I'm kind of scared because I'm not good with dark browns, but we're going to see how this turns out. I feel like that didn't really make a difference. So earlier today I was playing Rules. If you guys don't know what Rules is, it's this like game. It's kind of like Fortnite, but it's made for like PCs, and my sister's in my room. If you hear like the TV, it's because like the door's open. But now I'm just gonna carve out my eyelid because I want that to be like a blank area. Oh yeah, I forgot I was talking about Rules. So I was playing it, and then I shot, like my whole team got shot up, and then once I killed like everybody, the people who killed my team, I killed like 3 of them, and then there was one more person, and then my freaking phone lagged, and then that person killed me, and I was so freaking mad. Like, I don't know if it's just like my phone or something, or if like Rules is like lagging lately, but I was so mad. Like, they killed my whole freaking team. If you want to add me, I'll put my username somewhere here and we could play together. I want to do a mukbang. If you guys don't know what that is, it's kind of like an eating show, and you basically just like kind of talk to the camera while you're eating. If any of you would actually watch me do a mukbang, let me know, and like I'll do one. Do you guys see how thicker this one is than this one? I'm just going back in with Cypress Umber and like fading that carve with the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with Primavera from this palette. This glitter is super pigmented. Oh my gosh. Okay, so for my liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna be using, it's like all like black right now because I got this a while ago, but I'm gonna be using this, and I think it's the NYC liquid eyeliner. So I'm just gonna do this off camera because I think I'm gonna mess up if I try to film it. But if you guys want like a video on how I do it, I will definitely do that for you guys. So now I'm just gonna coat my lashes with Maybelline's Great Lash Mascara. There's really no difference when I put mascara on my lashes, but since I'm putting on falsies, I want them to like kind of blend in. For lashes today, I'm gonna be going in with these lashes, the middle ones of course because there's only like one pair, but I'm going in with these, and I think I got them from Amazon. I got them from like a long time ago, so I don't really remember, but I think I got them from Amazon. Okay, now that the lashes are on, we can finally move on to the face. This like sun right here is like annoying. To contour today, I'm going in with the same thing I set my under eyes with, and I'm just gonna use this palette, and I'm gonna use this brown shade. Are any of you going to prom this year? Because I'm going to 2 proms. I'm going to my prom, and then I'm going to my boyfriend's prom, and my banana part just like splat out. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna go to my prom first because it starts earlier in the year. It starts in like at the end of April, and then we're gonna go to his, which is like kind of like mid-May. We already know what color we want to go, and I'm planning on vlogging it, so that's super fun. I'm so excited. Like, even though it's gonna be like crappy, I'm gonna make sure that the vlog is still like good. If you guys want a video on where like I always go for like event dresses, I can so do that for you guys. Oh my god, I have so many suggestions. Like, just let me know, and girl, I got you. Like, I know where all the places are. I know how to save that money. So for blush today, I'm gonna be going in with Blossomtime Rose by Milani, and it just looks like this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so to contour my nose, I'm gonna just go in with my Morphe palette. Sorry, but I'm just gonna use one shade, and it's gonna be, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Now that that's done, we're gonna move on to highlighter, and I'm gonna like spritz my face real quick. So I'm just going in with my Pearl Essence Cucumber Water Hydrating Face Mist, and you can get this for $7 at TJ Maxx. To anybody who like is thinking about buying this, this comes out like really wet, and you have to wait like a really long time for it to dry because like it doesn't like spray out like all misty, if you know what I mean. Like, it sprays out like in water droplets, which is kind of annoying, but this is like the only thing I have right now. Otherwise, this is like really hydrating, and just like it smells really good. You know what, I forgot to do my freaking under eyes, so I'm just going back with a little bit of that burnt orange that we used in the transition shade, and then I'm just gonna coat my bottom lashes with mascara. I'm just putting in some of this white pencil from Wet n Wild into my inner corners. Okay, now we can start the highlight. I'm sorry about this lighting, it's like so annoying. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm just going to use the shade Amber Gold. And then for my nose, I'm just going to go in with White Sand. So I'm going to be using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Zinc. It's like all messy because, oh my goodness, I didn't think it was that messy. I think my nail polish or like some kind of lipstick spilled. And then for the middle, I'm going to go in with this Revlon lipstick in the shade Soft Nude. So this is the completed makeup look. The sun needs to like get the fuck out. Let me try and like put my windows up. Okay, that doesn't really help. Oh my goodness.
God, come through.
So this is the finished look. I'm really happy with the outcome. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys ever try to recreate this, please tag me or let me know. I will definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more makeup tutorials, make sure you leave a like and comment down below. If you are not yet part of the family, make sure that you subscribe and turn on the post notifications. I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers for supporting my channel and believing in me. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day.
I sit alone minding my business, but you ain't with it. I know you want to check up on me,